Yes, sir. You already know it's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Let's go and jump right into it. So AMC, we trading at about $49.50 at the time of this recording, guys. We hit a low today of $47.77, guys. Right around that $48 resistance, what we've been talking about for the longest, guys. And it's finally all coming to pass. And last night, we had just mentioned it again also because we had just, reminded ourselves that we forgot to inform y'all and get us prepared for that dip down to 52 that we was kind of surprised on yesterday, even though that from our homework we knew that was possible to happen, because once we had tried to build support at 55 and 57, we knew that wasn't going to hold because we dipped that previous days to around 56.75. Knew we could go down to and test 55 support. Then once we test 55, it was holding pretty good, but we cracked it just a hair, coming down to around 54.65, giving us the indication that we could go down to 52. We just didn't want to believe we was going back to 52 because how the week was going prior to that dip, guys. We were steady making higher lows, giving us an indication, we was trying to staircase our way up to that 60 resistance, and the closer we get to it, that's the easier it is to break through it if we staircase our way up, guys. So but anyways, we end up breaking through that 55 that support, giving us the indication we coming down to 52 strong support, guys. And we know that the prior, we always talked about the last time when we came down to 52 support at strong support, we had cracked 52 just here, coming down to around 51, guys. So we always knew we had that gap fill all the way down to previous resistance around $48, guys. And I said if we came to 48, they could try to go ahead and pull the last trick out the bag and go ahead and try to scare people with the biggest fall from there, because the lowest we see this thing going is 42, and if it hit 48, I'm pretty sure it could possibly keep coming down, guys, because our indication is that 48 didn't hold. We hit a low today of 47.77, so that's that gap fill coming all the way back down to around 42 bucks, guys, before this thing slingshot and pop right back up, guys. So this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just letting you guys know what your boy think, and this thing it's coming to pass. It's happening, and we seen it. And on today, we had said that it messed up. We had one of the good bullish Friday, but from us not staying above 55 on yesterday and the days prior, that messed up the momentum and the buying pressure for the day, that big pullback. So I knew it was going to be a lot of uncertainty, sell-offs. We talked about all that last night video, guys. So like I say, you got to just, if you're patient, and you got to just hold on for the ride, guys, because long term, this thing is still just getting warmed up, guys. And it's a lot of fear going out there. They putting articles out there saying that meme stocks are about to crash and this, that, and the third. They can do whatever they can, do all the tactics that they can to try to get you and trick you up out your position, guys. So you already know. I hope y'all locked and loaded, staying strong, probably accumulating on the dips if your average weight up there. And that's all we got for you guys. And like I always say, the newbies and new investors buying at these levels was considered chasing. So you bought up in the 60s, and now if it's trading down in the 40s, and you done lost, a certain amount of percentage of your investment, that's why. Because even though we expect this thing to go much higher, still, that's why if you want to put anything at this level and you kind of late, I would just put in 20-30% of my original investment, what I actually want to buy, if it was at the price I like, the low price. So I hope that makes sense for you guys. Some of you say what you want to say, but you'll live and you learn. You learn from experience and knowledge, same as I did. So I hope y'all understand that. I love y'all, and we out. God bless you. Also, don't forget to use the link in the description below to get your free stocks with Webull and Agibull and IG, guys. We out, and I love y'all.